how to use Hourglass in Pokemon TCG Pocket. So in Pokemon TCG Pocket, the pack Hourglass is an essential in-game currency, right? So let me just open this game first of all here, that allow players to reduce the cooldown time for opening booster pack. And here's how you can use it. So pack Hourglass are used to decrease the 12-hour cooldown, because you just cannot keep opening the packs, right? There is always a time period where you have to wait, so enabling players to access packs more frequently, which a pack Hourglass help you. So by default, players can open 2 booster pack every 12 hours, right? So if I just go and keep opening these packs here, I will get a pack Hourglass, which I can use it after every 12 hours, right after reaching your daily limit. It is advisable to use pack Hourglass strategically, because you cannot just keep using it, because ultimately you will lose it and then you have to wait a very long period of time. So only redeem them when you can immediately open a pack, as this maximize the utility. If you reduce the time but do not check back in time, you may waste the opportunity, right? So first of all, they have to keep completing the missions here, right, and participate in player versus player, collecting shop tickets, right, and daily rewards purchase with Poke Gold. So in this way you can get back Hourglass in Pokemon TCG. Thanks for watching.